As the historic blizzard of 2016 moves into the history books, I thought it worthwhile to highlight various conditions created by the storm that make staying home indoors the #1 priority. Let's take a look at what happens when you start accumulating 1 to 3 inches of snow an hour. As the storm intensifies, the traffic volume dries up. As the humans retreat, the area turns into a ghost town. The only people outside are the people that have to be out. 30 to 50 mile an hour winds blow all day long. Train service shuts down. We are in a whiteout situation with zero visibility. Cars spin out of control. Neighborhoods are deserted as people hold up in their homes. The lone snowblower makes a valiant effort to clean up, but to no avail. With 8 hours more of snow on the way, the effort is futile. The whiteout effect is incredible. 17 inches of snow with 8 hours more to come. Incredible. There's no let up for the plows. They have to work around the clock. All train stations are closed. Streetlights are covered in snow. Jeeps immobilized. Cars buried. The scenes are absolutely surreal. After 27 inches of snow, we are greeted the next day with a beautiful blue sky. Things start to return to normal. The great cleanup begins. Hours of shoveling results in success. Fortunately for us, there was no flooding in our area. That would have made things really bad. It'll take several more days to get the roads cleared, the parking lots cleaned, and the trains running on schedule. Unfortunately, that's just the way it is. Thank you for viewing.